to make turkey meatballs. Turkey meatballs. I have 2 pounds of turkey, ground turkey, and 3 eggs, onion, garlic. I will use the white part of scallion, and black pepper. I will put paprika, and instead of ginger, I will put turmeric. And this one, chicken bouillon. So I need breadcrumbs. I need to get breadcrumbs. Okay. 2 pounds of turkey. And 1 medium carrots. And the white of the scallion. I left the green parts. Three pieces of sliced bread. Just 3 pieces. 1 full teaspoon of chicken or turmeric, paprika, and black pepper. That's enough. Okay, I will put the 3 eggs. It's okay, I'm not gonna. It will go there anyway. And the garlic. Mix, mix, mix. Okay guys, I just sprayed. I thought it's on. Okay. I sprayed this one with a palm. There. And I will start to make meatballs. So guys, eto na. Umpisahan na natin ang paggawa ng meatballs. So I already washed my hand, but I think it's okay. And just pour my meatballs, form a bowl. I want it to be uniform, but this is fine. Wow! Garlic! So I sprayed the pan, right?
Yeah, don't spray it again.
So ayan na guys. Natapos na. Hi! That's my mother-in-law. Hi Mom!
Hello.
Okay, we're making meatballs. Yan. Natapos na yung meatballs. Naubos na yung laman nito. Yan, lagyan mo siya. At yung rice nakasalang na. Ang tawag dito? Preheat oven to 400. 365 pa lang. Okay. Rice. Walang rice cooker. Kaya dyan, isasalang ang rice. Ito yung sauce. Initin ko ulit to. Ginawa ko to kagabi. Yan. Okay, we're gonna put the
Gonna put the lovely little meatballs. Let's go.
meatloaf. Oh, yan. Yummy?
Smells
It
yummy.
smells
yummy.
good. Okie dokie.
All right.
There you go. 400 Fahrenheit degree. So, yan. After, because it's a little bigger, I make a little bigger of the meatballs. So, maybe 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I will check it. Okay, let's check the meatloaf. I think it's done now. We already checked one. We tried it. It looks good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Meatballs, good.
So we have 3 bowls here. Okay, Mom, we're ready.
Well,
Oh, wee. There you go.
that is awesome.
So now we will put the meatballs. Should we put it all or just the one that we're gonna eat? Ay,
Yeah. Oops. Yeah.
okay, just this.
Oh.
In the sauce. Put it in the sauce. I turned it off already. What do you think?
You did? Is it hot enough?
I don't know how many I put already. Let's put this. Is that the one? We can put more.
Not very hot.
So, yan. These are the rice in a bowl. Banh mi. Yan. Oh. Diba? It's cute. Let's see. Okay, Mom.
Let's eat.
Ready?
Huh?
Okay.
Mm. Mm.
Yum, yum. Mmm.